நீங்கள் பார்த்து கொண்டிருப்பது உங்கள் RSKV யூடியூப் சேனல்.
Income Tax Officers Exam 2021 Part 3 Allied Lost. Question 1. Section 77B of the IT Act 2008 makes which offence cognizable? Offences with 3 years and above imprisonment. Question 2. Minor partner has right with the firm for dash profit. Question 3. Which one of the following is not a valid service of summons as per CPC? Service on minor male member of the family. Question 4. If interest of a third party is involved in information sought for by the applicant, the maximum time limit for the PAOs to provide the information is 40 days. 40. Question 5. Property of the company belongs to company. Question 6. Consider the following statements about the right to information. Answer. The right to information is a fundamental right under Article 19(1) of the Indian Constitution. Question 7. When private limited company received any consideration for issue of shares that exceeds the face value of such shares, it would be taxed under Section 56(2) 7B. What is the partnership written agreement known as partnership deed? Question 9. In which kind of partnership one partner has unlimited liability and the other partner have limited liability? Limited partnership. Question 10. If there is no written partnership agreement, what will be the percentage of profit sharing ratio between the partners? Equal. Question 11. In which of the following case a partnership exists? Several persons jointly purchase goods for resale with a view to divide the profits arising from the transaction. Question 12. In case of merger or amalgamation of companies, any legal proceedings pending by or against any transferor company on the date of transfer shall be continued against the transferee company. Question 13. What is the penalty that can be levied on a PIO by CIC or SIC for failure on the part in administering the provisions of RTA Act as required? Rupees 250 per day up to a maximum of rupees 25,000. Question 14. The liability of the members of the company can be limited by A. Share, B. Guarantee, both. Answer. Both A and B. Question 15. Who may issue a commission? Court. Question 16. Sleeping partners are those who do not take any part in the conduct of the business but provide capital and share profits and losses in the agreed ratio. Question 17. Which of the following statement is not correct? A co-partner under Mitaksara law may dispose of his co-partnering interest by gift. Question 18. In case of partnership, the act of any partner in binding on all partners. Question 19. A court may make a commission for the examination of a witness, A. of his own motion, B. on the application of any party, C. on the application of any witness to be examined. Answer D. Any of the above. Question 20. A Hindu will is revoked by executing a new will. Question 21. The relation of partnership according to Section 5 of Indian Partnership Act 1932 arises from contract. Question 22. Which of the following is correct in respect of family pension? A deduction of sum equal to 33 1/3% of family pension or 15,000 rupees, whichever is less, shall be available to the recipient under Section 57 Part 2A of the Act. Question 23. Investment in partnership is made by introducing cash or non-cash assets. Question 24. A partnership neither provides for duration nor determination of partnership. What kind of partnership is it? Partnership at will. Question 25. As per Mitakshara school of Hindu law, the lineal male descendants acquire ownership in properties on birth up to which generation? Fourth generation. Question 26. Under section 78 of the CPC, the commission can be issued for the examination of witness by or at the instance of A. Court situated in any part of India to which the provisions of the court do not extend. B. Courts established outside India by authority of the central government. C. A foreign court. Answer D. All of the above. Question 27. What is deemed refusal by PAO under RTA Act? When PAO fails to provide any information within the specified period. Question 28. Which of the following statements is incorrect with regard to power to alienate the Hindu co-personary property in a family governed by Mitakshara school of Hindu law? Any adult or non-adult member has the power to alienate the Hindu co-personary property. Question 29. The penalty for misrepresentation as stated in the provision of section 71 of the Information Technology Act 2008 is imprisonment for a term which may extend to 2 years or with fine which may extend to 1 lakh rupees or both. Question 30. Application of a review may be granted to A on the ground of a new matter or evidence. B. Where the court is of opinion that the application for review should be granted. Both A and B. Question 31. Following can become an independent director. A. Managing director. B. Whole-time director. C. Both A and B. Answer D. None of the above. Question 32. Which one of the following is not an essential feature of a partnership? The business must be carried on by all the partners. Question 33. An electronic record shall be attributable to the originator. A. If it was sent by the originator himself. B. By the person who had the authority to act on behalf of the originator in respect of that electronic record. C. By an information system programmed by or on behalf of the originator to operate automatically. All the above statements are true. Question 34. In relation to a capital asset, being a goodwill of a business or a right to manufacture, produce or process any article or thing, or right to carry on any business or profession, the cost of improvement shall be taken to be nil. Question 35. As per Companies Act 2013, which document contains regulations for management of the company? Articles. Question 36. Which of the following instrument is true? A minor can be admitted as a partner only into the benefits of the partnership. Question 37. The authentication of the electronic record is affected by the use of asymmetric crypto system and the hash function. Question 38. In which of the following cases is the firm not bound by the act of partner? When act is done fraudulently or negligently. Question 39. Transfer in relation to capital asset does not include sale of stock in trade. Question 40. As per the Civil Procedure Code 1908, to entertain review application is the discretionary power of court. Question 41. As per traditional and pure Hindu law, co-personary at a point of time consists of a common male ancestor with his lineal descendants in the male line within 4 degrees counting from and inclusive of such ancestor bracket or 3 degrees exclusive of the ancestor. Question 42. A public information officer will be liable to be imposed a monetary penalty for A. Refusal to receive an application. B. Not providing information within specified time limits. C. Destroying information. Answer D. All of the above. Question 43. Under Order 16, the court may impose a fine on the summoned witness if the witness does not appear. B. The witness appears but fails to satisfy the court. Answer C. Either A or B. Question 44. Which section of RTA Act 2005 deals with obligation of public authorities? Section 4 bar 1. Question 45. Under Order 21, Rule 31 of the Civil Procedure Code 1908, attachment of mobile property other than agricultural produce can be executed by detention, B. by appointing a custodian, C. by actual seizure, D. all of the above. Answer D. all of the above. Question 46. Which was the first state in India to introduce a law on right to information? Answer Tamil Nadu. Question 47. The key of a key pair used to verify a digital signature and listed in the digital signature certificate means public key. Question 48. A company is incorporated on 31st January 2018. Its financial year ending is 31/3/2019. Question 49. The cost of every affidavit shall be paid by the party filing the affidavit. Question 50. What is the time limit within which an applicant can file a second appeal before the CIC or SIC under RTA Act 2005? 90 days. 90. Question 51. Which of the following statement is correct with regard to one person's company? It has only one person as a member. Question 52. In case of a commission to examine witness not residing within India, the court may issue such commission if the court is satisfied that the evidence of such person is necessary. Question 53. As per Mitaksara school of thought, subpoena relationship extends to 7 degrees reckoned from and inclusive of the deceased of, or 6 degrees if we exclude the deceased. Question 54. Drawings of the partners are debited to capital account of the partner. Question 55. Service of summons can be effected by the following means: A. by registered post, B. by electronic mail service, C. by courier service approved by the High Court or District Judge. Answer D. all of the above. Question 56. Where the court is of the opinion that the application for review should be granted, it shall grant the same with previous notice to the opposite party to enable him to appear and be heard. Question 57. Which of the following is not a type of share? Extraordinary share. Question 58. Which section of the IT Act deals with the legal recognition of electronic records? Section 4. Question 59. Which subsection of Section 8 of the RTA Act 2005 prevents providing information held by a person in fiduciary capacity unless larger public interest is involved? Subsection E. Question 60. Under Order 47, Rule 1 of the Civil Procedure Code 1908, a judgment can be reviewed on the ground of A. mistake of fact or law on the face of the record, B. discovery of new and important evidence not within the knowledge of the party concerned. Both A and B are true. Question 61. Which of the following does not constitute competent authority under Section 2E of the RTA Act 2005, Chief Minister of a State? Question 62. Which of the following statements is false? Information should be provided even in cases where such request cannot be made in writing. Question 63. Where review petition is rejected due to non-appearance of applicant, it can be restored A. whenever court likes, B. upon application of applicant, justifying his absence in satisfactory manner. Both A and B are true. Question 64. RTA Act 2005 is not applicable to all non-government organizations substantially financed by political parties. Question 65. A special resolution is a resolution where votes cast in favor of the resolution is not less than 3 times the number of votes cast against the resolution by members. Question 66. Chapter 5 of the Information Technology Act deal with secure electronic records and secure electronic signature. Question 67. Any consideration received by a shareholder or a holder of other specified securities from any company on purchase of its own shares or other specified securities held by such shareholder or holder of other specified securities shall be chargeable to tax on the difference between the cost of acquisition and the value of consideration received. Question 68. The RTA Act 2005 seeks to promote the following qualities in the working of every public authority. Answer: transparency. Question 69. Under the section 60 of CPC, which one of the following properties of judgment debtor is not liable to attachment and sale in execution of decree? Right to sue for damages. Question 70. Under which section a central or state public information officer may be requested for providing information where such request would involve an infringement of copyright? Section 10. Question 71. When an income tax officer is summoned to produce a document before the court, answer: he shall be deemed to have complied with the summons if he causes such document to be produced instead of attending personally to produce the same. Question 72. Features of partnership firm are: A. Two or more persons are carrying more business under an agreement, carrying common business under an agreement. B. They are sharing profits and losses in the fixed ratio. C. Business is carried by all or any of them acting for all as an agent. Answer D. All of the above. Question 73. How many schedules does the RTA Act 2005 have? 2. Question 74. If face value of a share is rupees 10 and it is issued at rupees 15, then rupees 5 is the dash amount, premium amount. Question 75. Which section in RTA Act 2005 refers to partial disclosure of information? Section 10. Question 76. A partnership deed usually contains particulars relating to: A. Name of the firm and partner. B. Capital contribution, profit loss, sharing ratio and other agreed terms. C. Nature of business and duration of partnership. D. Answer: all of the above. Question 77. Which of the following statement is not correct relating to joint Hindu family? Answer: the existence of joint estate is an essential requisite to constitute a joint family. Question 78. In the absence of agreement, partners are entitled to: A. Salary, B. Commission. Answer D. Both A and B. Question 17. Which of the following can be provided under RTA Act 2005? Conditional disclosure relating to information on intellectual property. Question 80. The condition to be satisfied in case of transfer of shares held in an Indian company by demerged foreign company to resulting foreign company in a scheme of demerger includes: A. The shareholders holding at least 3/4 in value of the shares of the demerged foreign company continue to remain shareholders of the resulting foreign company. B. Such transfer should not attract capital gains in the country in which the amalgamating company is incorporated. Both A and B are true. Question 81. Right of Mitakshara co-partner to get the interest of deceased co-partner by survivorship has been materially affected by the Hindu Succession Act 1956 Section 6. Question 82. Main characteristics of Indian Partnership Act 1932 are: A. More than one person. B. To earn the profit object. C. Relation of owner and as an agent. Answer D. All of the above. Question 83. With reference to RTI Act 2005 of the following statement is true. A. A third party is a person other than the citizen making the request. B. Third party also includes a public authority. Both A and B are true. Question 84. Ramesh intentionally captured objectionable images of a woman and transmits it without her consent. Ramesh is liable to be punished with imprisonment, which may extend to 3 years, or with fine not extending 2 lakh rupees, or both. Question 85. Which of the following statements about joint Hindu family is incorrect? Answer. An unmarried male Hindu on a partition can himself constitute an HUF, as there can be a smaller Hindu undivided family within a larger undivided family. This statement is incorrect. Question 86. Where the information sought by an applicant concerns the life and liberty of a person, the information sought for should be provided within dash of the receipt of the request. 48 hours. Question 87. According to Mitakshara law, in order to determine what property is available for partition, provisions must first be made for: A. Joint family debts payable out of joint family property. B. Personal debts of the father not tainted by immorality. C. Maintenance of dependent female members and of disqualified heirs, and for the marriage expenses of unmarried daughters. Answer D. All of the above. Question 88. A system of a secure key pair consisting of a private key for creating a digital signature and a public key to verify the digital signature means asymmetric crypto system. Question 89. In the absence of partnership deed, the interest is allowed on the loan given by partners to the firm, 6% per annum. Question 90. Which of the following does not come under the definition of information under RTI Act 2005? Files noting. Question 91. The officer designated by the public authority in all administration officers departments for providing information is known as Public Information Officer. Question 92. A statement issued by a certifying authority to specify the practice that the certifying authority employs in issuing electronic signature certificate means certification practice statement. Question 93. In terms of Order 19, Rule 1 of the Civil Procedure Code 1908, the court may permit a party to adduce evidence by filing an affidavit at any time. Question 94. Which of the following is true? A. Two or more persons can join to make a single affidavit. B. They should depose the facts known to them in separate paragraphs. C. Clerical mistakes can be corrected only before the affidavit is made. Answer D. All of the above. Question 95. According to Section 43 of the Companies Act 2013, how many types of share capital exist? 2. Question 96. In case of an affidavit, where can the court may order attendance of the deponent for cross-examination? At the instance of either party. Question 97. Which of the following is not correct? The CPIO cannot seek the assistance of any other officer for discharge of his or her duties. Question 98. X dishonestly receives stolen computer resources and retains the same. He is liable to be punished with imprisonment for term which may extend 3 years or with fine which may extend to rupees 1 lakh or both. Question 99. The appropriate government may, by notification in the official gazette, declare any computer resource which may directly or indirectly affect the facility of critical information infrastructure to be a protected system. Question 100. Central or state PIO may also access to information exempted under Section 8 bar 1 of RTA Act 2005 if public interest outweighs the harm to the protected parties. Answer statement is correct.